Let's make this delicious Lamington chocolate and raspberry layer cake with Novi block, Asiago and Elmlea. For the cake, 4 eggs, sugar in a bowl, mix. Vanilla red color in the sponge, butter, milk, let's melt together. Flour, baking powder, salt, stir in half, melted butter and milk, stir in half. Let's fold in the remaining half. Cake batter, 2 tins in the oven. Let's make the raspberry jam. Lemon zest, icing, sugar, frozen raspberries in the pan, let's cook. Novi chocolate, melt, spread over the cakes and cover in coconuts. Icing, sugar, vanilla in a bowl. Elmlea Double cream, let's whip. So let's fill with cream, jam and cover. Lamington's chocolate and raspberry layer cake. This is absolutely divine. You've got to give it a try.